Hey, stay positive, pal. Most people, when they lose, they whine and quit. But you gotta be there for the turns. Everybody's got good luck, everybody's got bad luck. Don't run when you lose. Don't whine when it hurts. It's like the first grade, Jerry. Nobody likes a crybaby.
Did you know that over 90% of online income opportunities are missed because people don't know where to start? Imagine this, a six-figure income is possible, but most people let it slip through their fingers. Join me as I take on the challenge of unlocking a six-figure online income stream from scratch. Let's dive in. Everyone wants financial freedom. The idea of earning money online seems simple, right? But here's the truth. Most people face two major obstacles. They don't know what works and they're afraid to fail. Picture this. You've seen the ads. Make $10,000 a month from home. They make it look easy, but when you try, you're overwhelmed with options. Do you start a YouTube channel, sell products, try freelancing? The choices paralyze you. Therefore, you stick with what feels safe, your 9 to 5. You convince yourself it's secure, even though deep down, you crave something more. This fear keeps so many people stuck. Let's clear the fog. Here are 3 proven paths to earning online. Affiliate marketing. You promote products and earn a commission for every sale. No need to create a product, just a knack for connecting people with solutions. E-commerce. Selling products through platforms like Shopify or Amazon. Physical goods, digital goods. It's all about finding what people need. Digital products. Courses, ebooks, templates. Your expertise packaged and sold to those who need it. But here's the secret. You don't have to master them all. Most successful online entrepreneurs started with just one. They mastered it, then scaled. Therefore, the key is focus. Pick a lane, stay consistent, and get good at it. Here's the shift that changes everything. Success online isn't just about what you do. It's about how you think. Start with small wins. Instead of aiming for $10,000 a month, aim for $100 first. Small victories build momentum. Be okay with failure. The first ad you run, the first video you make, they won't be perfect. But every failure teaches you something. Consistency beats talent. The people you see making 6 figures, they showed up every day even when it felt like nothing was working. Therefore, the key is simple. Commit. Commit to learning, commit to trying, and commit to showing up even when it's hard. So here's what we covered. Choose one path, focus on small wins, and embrace the process. A 6-figure online income isn't a dream, it's a system. And if you stick with it, you can make it your reality. If you found these tips helpful, hit that thumbs up, subscribe, and comment below with your biggest takeaway.